All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning, like the ones popping up here on the screen, and I managed to find 4 home run opportunities presenting themselves at the highest point of possibility beyond 20% plus. So if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together, even through the volatility of the market, whether the stock market is red or green, wherever it decides to go, we will continue to look for opportunities daily, and you can become part of that today, and you can become part of it too. We look forward to having you join us. The link is down below in the description. So CLOV, Clover Health Investments. So this is a stock that has broken through different channels that I've drawn out, right? And I've even drawn out much more narrow ones, like right around here up to here and stuff like that. And what we've been looking for is consolidation, right? And every time it keeps up ending up at newer lows and newer possibilities to the downside. So this is a stock that we stated could go towards 10, possibly 9, and here we are. We're in the 9s. Now the next support level would be down here at the $9 mark, okay? Exactly $9 to the T. If that gets broken through, the next one was down here at 760, 750s. So right now we don't want to worry too much about 7s, but we do want to worry a little bit about the 8s, okay? What points of reference to look at in the $8 section. So if this breaks through $9, 860 would be the next support level I would watch closely to see how the bulls react and how the bears are reacting at these levels. But right now, the lowest point that we've seen in the day was 916, and that was a close one, really close to $9. We're in the 9s with this stock since yesterday towards the end of the day, and now here we are kind of sitting sideways, and the 50-day moving average catching up to the price. This has been in bearish territory since way back in June 24th, try to fight back up, and then July 1st, this has just been straight down, bullish fight through the bears, and then the bulls trying through these bullish fights, and the bears continuing to tear them down. So right now this is in tug-of-war zone, and we're going to look at our support and our resistance and what's most important right now for the bulls. So right here at 916, 917, give or take, that's our support level. If that gets broken through, I'd watch how it reacts between that area and $9. And if $9 gets broken through, between 9 and 860. Now our resistance, the highest point reached in the day, is 965.66, okay? Super important to be aware of that. That needs to be broken through, but it does not signify or guarantee that the bulls have gained control. It's just a stepping stone. The 50-day moving average is much more significant, and that's 986. That's what the bulls really want to break through and turn into a support so they can pull upwards to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning. And if you guys want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And we look forward to having you join us. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I want to share with you guys today is a ticker symbol that's actually gotten to the levels that I've talked about. And the closer it got to these levels, the bigger the opportunity. It's actually bounced off of it. And this is a great time to be watching for strength or even some further weakness, making the opportunity even bigger. But before we look at that chart and everything about that stock, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. I managed to find 4 home run opportunities presenting themselves at the highest point of possibility, 20% plus. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together through the volatility of the market, whether portfolios are up, whether they're down, whether the stock market's up or down. We will always look for opportunities daily. So we talked about ARPO about a few months ago, hit a home run with it. Today it was a home run as well. Talked about SEED, DBGI, we talked about TESS and GBS, and this was our lowest performer of the day. TESS gave us 10 to 15% jumps on the day. Let's look at the other 4 home runs of the day, how they performed, and when we talked about them. So GBS, we talked about it pretty early on, dipped a little bit and ran, giving a highest point of 35% plus on the day. Phenomenal. And gave a second run of 10 to 15%. Then we talked about ARPO, caught this one pretty early as it was dipping in the pre-market, and it actually towards the bell hit a little bit lower and took off in just a few minutes, about 35 minutes after the bell. This stock actually gave about 20% plus, pulled back down and continued to take off, giving a highest point of the day, 40% plus. We talked about DBGI, caught this one when it was consolidating after pulling back in the pre-market and took off to a highest point of 20% plus and gave small jumps of 5 to 15% plus opportunities. Then we talked about SEED, caught this one as it was falling towards the bell, fell a little bit more and jumped up, giving 5 to 10% opportunities right away, pulled right back down and took off to a highest point of 25% plus. This was phenomenal, and even after that dip, it gave another 10% plus opportunity. These were the 4 opportunities and home runs of the day. And if you guys want to know what stocks I'm watching daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. You can become part of it today as well. So, what's the stock you want to add to your watch list? It's PSFE, PaySafe. I've talked about this as it was pulling back. The closer it got to $10, the bigger the opportunity. And even before it jumped on the great news that came out back here towards the end of June and the beginning of July, this stock I was stating, the closer it got to 10, the bigger the opportunity. At the 11s, it ran up, gave a nice 10 to 20% jump, pulled back down so far, and it touched the 10s for the first time in almost a month. The last time it did that was June 1st, and here we are July 8th. So actually it was more than a month. It finally touched those lows of 1080. Now the lowest point we've seen this stock reach is 1009. So this is something to watch carefully. If it gets closer to the low 10s, or if it even breaks through 10 and hits newer lows. But the lower it goes below $10, or the closer it gets to $10, if it doesn't break through 10, the bigger the opportunity based off of analysis price targets and the niche that PaySafe is in, because this is in the payment processing sector. It's a small growing company, and as it continues to expand internationally and throughout the whole entire sector itself, it's going to get its piece of the pie. It may take some time. It has a small market cap, but it has room to grow, and that's what I like about it the most. But you also want to remember it was a SPAC merger, so it does make it a little bit speculative until we get more concrete information over time about this company actually being profitable and where they're heading and what's their purpose. As always, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just here to enlighten you guys on the stocks I'm watching and why I'm watching them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.